Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry it took so long. A lot of stuff was happening. Got the house and the room painted. Had to go out, do some family things, and you know how it gets. I really did want to bring this episode to you guys sooner, especially since I want to get this thing done, because I think it's going to look really cool whenever I show it off to you guys. But I did one thing that I didn't record was that I made this little container thing that's kind of like the breather to the costume. It has like some moss stuff in it. It's a water jug that I just painted to look all gross and whatever. So today we're gonna pretty much try and get as much done as we can for today. Like today we're gonna paint this little nozzle I found. I already painted a little bit of it, as you can see. We're gonna paint this little nozzle thing. We're gonna attach it here on the breather thing, and then we're gonna glue. So much crap up here. We're gonna glue this, which is the inside of like a bike tire, the part that you blow up or whatever. We're gonna put that inside this, and we're gonna inside this, and we're gonna glue it together. So right now, I'm pretty much just painting a little bit of it to give it kind of like a bright metallic look. This is brushed nickel, and I give it that kind of shiny texture, I guess you can say. The only thing I'm worried about really is putting too much paint on it and it like dripping and stuff, and it just looking all gross and everything. So hopefully that won't be bad. And then maybe in the next episode we'll see if I have time to do it, like tomorrow or something. I actually went and bought some screws and stuff to put in this hood into the thing, which is literally just a pair of pants that I ended up cutting. It's gonna fit on top of me like that, be kind of cool looking, I think. So that could be interesting. Oh yeah. So let me see if I could find where the brown stuff, because everything got moved around because our house got painted and crap. So everything got like jolted around and moved. Oh, yeah, that's right. I added some like cool stuff here. Oh, before I forget, I'm also using a new camera because the last one, I'm still trying to figure parts of it out. It's still trying to understand how to use some features of it, because as you guys could probably tell, sometimes the background would be really, really bright, and then like the first video it was really bright, and then like the next one I was like really dark. Don't really understand what was going on there. So I'm using a different camera this time. So hopefully this one does a lot better. But I added that to the back, which I'll probably dirty up, later on. And then I also wrapped it around the gun, like where the grip area is, so it's like better grip. And then also in the back grip area for also just better grip. I haven't really done much to the gun besides that or anything else, to be honest. I've just been very busy, and things have just gotten, I guess a little bit crazy here. Nothing too insane, in all honesty. Nothing we're not used to. It's just different, I guess. Things have just I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, anyways. So let's see how this is doing. Is this... Ooh, that is nowhere near dry. So I guess while that's drying, I can find another pair of gloves, which I have somewhere, I think. Oh, I can just use this. If that would be a good idea, I'm not 100% sure. Whatever. We'll take... We'll take this brown. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it, actually, let me put it on this hand so that way I don't get paint all over me, you know? We do this. We spray a little bit on it like that. Yeah, get that on there. So I'm gonna grab the bat. I'm gonna just do some dirtying up on the handle. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this paint. It's like barely coming out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks way better. Look a lot dirtier. We'll get the bright brown actually this time. Where'd I put it? Where'd it go? Well, dang it, man. I don't know where my bright brown went. What the heck? That's weird. Now, Hello? Yeah, that was my friend Dustin. He shows up. He comes by every now and then. He's actually come by a lot more recently. Not really sure why, but... Yeah. Oh, flip! No! Ah! Dang it. Oh well. We'll fix that up. We'll fix it up later. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. I think that looks pretty good for now. Let's check on the drying of the thing. Still use a little bit more work in other places, but all in all, it's fine. So we are going to... I need to find that brown, man. I don't know where that brown is. Is it in here with all my other colors? No, I guess not. What the heck did I do with that brown? Oh, wait. Nope. Dang it. Well, that kind of makes me mad because that's the main brown I use to, like, color everything. Are you serious? That makes me so mad. Well, looks like I'll have to color it later, so we'll just go ahead and put it on the thing now. So, good thing about it is that this side pretty much just fits, oh whoops, right on top of this perfectly. See? We can grab it, turn it. Yeah, fits perfectly fine on there. But the thing is I don't want it on there just yet because I need to glue the inside of it first. So that way the this can stick to it. This one has a little bit of a cut in it, and I know I have another one somewhere. Guess not. Even though I did take it off both wheels, but whatever, I guess. Oh, here it is. I think this one's smaller though. Hang on. Let me check. No, I think they're about the same size. So if that's the case, I'll use this one instead. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, take our glue. Alright, nice. Oh wow, that smells strong. So we go ahead and put the glue, line it on in there. Right, that should hold, and then we'll go ahead and put this inside here, and I'll put my hand in and try and it's not really wanting to stick for some reason. I don't know why. Like maybe because it's too dirty, I don't know. Try again. Alright, I'm holding it in this time. Hopefully it will stay. Might have to do it one side at a time, which kind of stinks, because I was hoping to get it all done in one go, which would be really, really nice. Oh, also, hopefully, I plan on getting to this next episode soon. And when we get to that next episode, we're going to paint this. Going to make it look all old and dirty and stuff, you know? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nice. That got held there nicely. That's good. Now we go in. And let me do this side. Don't like the smell of that. Ooh, that smells strong. don't think I should have to hold it this long, but oh, it's hot out here. Justin was right. Yeah, I would do the drilling and stuff today as well, but the problem with that is I need to charge up the drill we have, and you know that's gonna take a while. And I didn't really think it through whenever I planned on making this episode. Okay, nice. So that looks stuck on. Okay, and now we're gonna put that on there, and hopefully, yep, look at that. Awesome. Ooh, almost spilled my glue. Ooh, that would not have been good. Alright, nice. So that is now done. We now have our guy's little gas tank, well not gas tank, oxygen tank, all up and ready to go. Just gotta paint this, try and figure out where the heck my paint went. That makes me mad that that just vanished. And then after that, we're gonna paint the mask and drill on the hood. And this is the part I haven't shown you guys yet. We're gonna drill. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I did show you this in the first episode. Duh. Oh no, whoops. I hope all those nuts didn't go out, because I got some nuts to fasten it. So now we're going to put this, and then we're going to drill this, words, drill this onto this, and that way it'd be a cool little, you know, hang on, be like a cool, cool arm piece. Have it like that, and then, you know, have this on it, be like sticking out like that, which I think would be really cool. Like, yeah, that would be cool. Although I might put it on my left hand because the right arm will be holding the bat. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. We made some pretty good progress. Not as much as I was hoping to make, but we made progress, so that's always good. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it will come out sooner than the last one, I hope. Yeah. And I'll see you guys later.